Jeff's asking if the U.S. dollar breaks out beyond its 2015 high, won't that be uber deflationary? Which sectors will be hardest hit on this potential trending move?
Yeah, great question, and I'm not getting it enough. So thank you for that question, because again, it's just a friendly reminder. It's really the domino. It's the lead domino of deflation, dollars, okay, dollars. You get the dollar right, you get the rate of change in inflation right, you get all these deflationary risks right. This is why, by the way, for those of you who only been with us for the last 5 or 10 days, which has been awful for me personally, but I mean, professionally, I should say, personally, I've had a decent 5-10 days, I guess. My wife's in the house. I better be careful what I say. But the reality is that, you know, if you look back to the deflation call that we made, that was really focused and anchored on the dollar. I mean, and a lot of people still don't understand that. Some people can't afford to, because they run asset management products that are one way, long only. And when there's an inverse correlation to those assets and the dollar, they just don't want to talk about it, you know, because they can't, you know, because they'd be too honest about it and they get outflows. But the world is loaded with U.S. dollar denominated debt, loaded, and risks, you know, so commodities in particular. So yeah, that is the dollar breaking out from here. Uber deflationary those are the right 2 words to use.
Yeah, no, it's a double whammy. Not only are debt service costs rising when the dollar breaks out, but all the sort of empirical evidence shows that when currencies actually break down versus the dollar, the incremental supply of portfolio investment, you know, particularly in fixed income markets, is dwindles. So not only you have an issue with your existing debt service, but you also have an issue with incremental credit, which obviously tends to bring on sort of higher levels of default risk or sharper slowdowns to the extent that you can't credit allocation is negative.